Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 27th of December, 2024. And now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.41. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who heeded our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.96% since we first designated Apple as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.44% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $259.46 will initially indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 11.62% over the coming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 3.58% to 13.30%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 42.01% over the next year, with the potential return between 21.22% and 44.08%. This translates to a price range of $309.83 to $368.26 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. On the last trading day, the Apple stock price decreased by 1.32%, falling from $259.02 to $255.59. During this day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.23%, reaching a low of $253.06 and a high of $258.70. The stock has risen on 8 of the last 10 days, with an overall increase of 3.08% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume rose by 16 million shares, despite the decline in prices, which may serve as an early warning sign. Thus, the risk could increase slightly in the coming days. In total, 42 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $10.78 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 1.73%, or $4.50, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc., AAPL, has experienced an impressive 8% rise over the past month. However, this momentum comes with cautionary signals. Market technician Jonathan Krinsky warns of a potential sell-off, suggesting that after such gains, investors could face volatility as they head into January. Additionally, historical trends indicate that Apple's stock may struggle following its recent streak of weekly gains, prompting a more cautious approach from traders. On the artificial intelligence front, insights from analysts highlight Apple's simplified strategy as a strong component in their bullish outlook, emphasizing AAPL's future potential in this evolving sector. Dan Ives mentions that the company's AI initiatives could add approximately $34 per share, contributing significantly to a projected $4 trillion market cap. Despite the positive sentiment surrounding its AI capabilities, Apple's shares face downward pressure, alongside major tech counterparts like Microsoft and Nvidia, contributing to a 400-point drop in the Dow Jones. In the options market, there is notable bearish sentiment, with several strategies indicating traders may be hedging against further declines in AAPL. These varying perspectives create a complex backdrop that could lead to increased volatility in the short term. while the long-term outlook could pivot on the successful integration of AI and overall market recovery. investors should remain vigilant as the market dynamics evolve. Analyst ratings. On the 18th of December, 2024, it was reported that Daiwa assigned Apple a grade of outperform with a hold action. On the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple a grade of outperform with a hold action. On the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a grade of neutral with a hold action. On the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Apple a grade of hold with a hold action. On the 29th of November, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Apple a grade of outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by 1.32%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal derived from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $254.34 and $239.95. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 23 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 154 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $254.49. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.64 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.23%. In the past week, the stock has experienced daily average volatility of 1.74%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Apple is at $258.20. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $254.49. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. Also on the 16th of December, 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 42,939 shares of common stock. Again, on that day, Jeffrey E. Williams conducted an insider sale of 8,384 shares of common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 29.044. In total, insiders purchased 2,060,786 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $247.61, representing a decrease of 3.12%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal due to a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? There are several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggesting that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 30th of December, we expect Apple to open up by approximately 19 cents and begin trading at $255.78. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.